The Dearborn Heights City Libraries present 5 to 10 crafting series with Eileen and Venus. I'm Eileen.
And I'm Venus. Crafts are for elementary children, but all ages are welcome.
Each month we will be doing a craft video.
Crafts will be available for a limited time for pickup at Dearborn Heights City Libraries and, when possible,
as a download on our website.
Now, let's get crafting.
This month's craft is toilet paper roll flowers craft. Supplies from the kit: toilet paper roll, pom-pom, green construction paper in various colors, and colored cardstock. From home: cardstock paper, the color doesn't matter, green, either construction paper, paint, crayon, or marker, toilet paper roll, and something to decorate the center of your flower if you wish. Everything else: glue and scissors. Directions from the kit: glue the green construction paper to the toilet paper roll. Cut out the flower, daisy or tulip, or both. Glue the pom-pom in center of daisy if you have it. Cut out both sets of leaves. Glue the smaller ones onto the larger. Glue the leaves onto the bottom of the roll, one on either side, however you wish in the center. Cut the slits in the construction paper over the other ones. Put your flower into the slits. Directions from home: paint, color, or glue something green onto the toilet paper roll. Cut out flower shapes in cardstock, any color you wish. Glue a decoration onto center of the flower if you wish. Cut out 2 sets of leaves, one smaller than the other. Glue the smaller ones onto the larger. Glue the leaves onto the bottom of the roll. Cut small slits in the top of the toilet paper roll, one on either side. Put your flower into the slits. Happy birthday, Margaret Wise Brown, May 23rd. One of her books is Two Little Gardeners. Supplies from the kit: toilet paper roll with slits cut in each side, sheet of green construction paper, a flower, 2 color leaves, pom-pom.
I am going to do a little project today. We're going to make a little flower pot. I have a toilet paper roll. Ask Mom, you can get one of those around the house. Got my scissors and my glue, and I've got all different kinds of color construction paper.
So I'm cutting the small leaves first, and now I'm cutting the large leaves, and I'm cutting out the flower.
So let's build a flower pot. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the flower pot with green. I kind of roll it. Want a little bit bigger than my toilet paper roll, so I'm just going to lay glue all along here. I'm even going to put some glue on my toilet paper roll. Glue it there. Bring it around and take our glue. Add glue. And put some right on the end there.
I'm putting glue on the toilet paper roll and affixing the green cardstock that came with it. Lots and lots of glue all over the thing and roll it up.
To make our take a cup and draw a circle. There's all kinds of flowers you can cut. Okay, and I've got my circle. And I'm going to take a little different color. I'm going to make a smaller color. If you have some cotton balls or something, you can even put that in the center if you want. Put that right in the middle. Now it doesn't look much like a flower, so I'm going to cut, not cutting all the way through, just kind of cutting part of the way in, fluffing them out.
So now you're going to glue the smaller leaves onto the bigger leaves, like so. And since I've got the daisy, I am putting the pom-pom in the center of the flower with glue. Nice.
And I can take my toilet paper roll. Go get that. To put this on, I'll need to cut a couple little slits. I'm going to cut one here. And not quite all the way across, but a little bit more forward. I'm going to cut another one. And then you can kind of slide your flower into your flower pot, just like that.
Now, because I have the kit, I found the already made slits in the toilet paper roll and just cut slits in the construction paper in the same area. And because of the kit, I had the leaves that I did earlier. So I'm putting on lots of glue on the bottom opposite where the slits are and gluing on the 2-layer leaves. And now just pop that flower in the slit and you're all done.
Enjoyed what you saw here? Subscribe to the Dearborn Heights Library channel on YouTube and be notified when there's a new episode.
Did you know that with your Dearborn Heights Library card, you can borrow ebooks, e-audiobooks, stream thousands of hours of music, and even movies? You can download apps for your devices or visit our website on a computer.
Last blurb, we promise. Stay connected with us at dhcl.mishlibrary.org and on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Thanks for tuning in.